In the last video, we showed you cutting off the front end of the car we're going to be driving. We grinded on that for a while. On this, however, this is what we like to call the sub car. We are measuring in order to take the front end off of this one and later weld it onto the car we'll be driving. Okay, as you can see, I'm taking measurements. You need lots of measurements if you're going to do this to your Datsun, otherwise it might come out wrong, and the welding will not be fun, I can assure you of that. Here's a sheet with all our measurements on it. If you want to pause the video and take them, that's totally fine. And then this is Dad grinding. And off comes the front. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Later on, we'll be posting a video of cutting out that rusty hole that we started with in the firewall. We'll tell you a little bit more about that in the next video. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.
Yeah!